Hi everybody. So Maria's still in Serbia, but there's packages showing up at our house with plants in them. So I think this means we need an unboxing video. So let's go see what Maria ordered. Alright, so here we go. Let's pop this open. I've never had to deal with any plants without Maria being here and plant them or anything like that. So this will be really interesting. Once I get it open on what I'm supposed to do with this, but hopefully it'll survive. She'll be back here in a few days and we'll see what happens with it. I'm sure she'll do a follow-up video of the plant that her husband almost killed. So let's see. Oh, alright, so this was my package, wrong package. We just won't tell Maria about the Michael Jordan Funko Pop. We're just gonna set that aside and that'll be our secret. Here's the other package. Okay, this is it. Here's her plant. Let's see what we got here. Nicely packed in tissue paper. And there's got to be some kind of prize in here. Okay, so here it is. Alright. I think it's some type of Crassula, but I have no idea what type of Crassula. But it's really pretty and looks like it did pretty well with the shipping. So I'm sure she'll do a video and update you once she gets it all planted. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.